is not enough, we must apply. Wishing is not enough, we must do, said Johann Wolfgang. St. Agnes PU College is not merely an institution to impart knowledge, but also an institution to help students to apply what they learn and take action towards success rather than waiting and hoping. COVID-19 made a serious impact on many aspects of everyday life. The world saw a paradigm shift in the education system favoring online learning during the constraints of pandemic. At St. Agnes PU College, regular online classes for students are being conducted through G Suite app to enable students to access the digital contents and the recorded lectures even after the class. Integrated classes and coaching for JEE, NEET, CET for professional courses and CPT for CA are also being conducted through the digital portal. A virtual career guidance program was conducted by Mr. Elson de Souza, Associate Professor, St. Agnes College Autonomous for the Commerce students, and by Mr. Akshay K. Panikar, Educational Strategist and Managing Director, Ankuram Educational Trust for the Science students. Education is a lifelong process which helps us grow personally, professionally, and socially. In order to create an engaging learning experience, an interactive session on communicative skills was conducted for the staff by Dr. Alvin Desa, Associate Professor of English and Controller of Examinations, St. Aloysius College Autonomous. An international webinar on Lavda Dosi, Concerns on Environment, was effectively conducted by Father Sandesh Manuel, OFM, Austria. A national level webinar on nurturing growth and well-being among youth, counseling paradigms and skills was conducted by Dr. Father Viju, Director and Dean, Christ Deemed to be University, Delhi NCR Campus. Dr. Sureka Chukali and Ms. Tanuja Bharadwaj were the other resource persons. A webinar on spirituality in education was conducted by Dr. Father Biju K. Chako, Director, Christ College, Bannerghatta Campus. Dr. P.V. Shobha, Dr. Tracy, Sister Sannidhi, Mrs. Jeshma, Mrs. Olivia, Mrs. Venetia, Mrs. Avita, and Ms. Anisha attended various webinars to enhance their skills and upgrade their existing knowledge. In the creative writing competition organized by St. Agnes College Autonomous on the topic My Experience as an Apostolic Carmel Educator, Mrs. Shailaja from the Department of Kannada secured the first place. Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in, said Bill Bradley. In the second PUC examination conducted by the Karnataka Pre-University Board, our students displayed their excellence by securing a remarkable overall percentage of 97.45 with 194 distinctions. Ria Pinto topped the science stream with 583 out of 600 and an additional distinction of having scored centum in mathematics. Michelle D'Souza of the Commerce stream made us proud with her achievement of scoring 100% in accountancy, statistics and basic mathematics and securing the 9th rank in the state, having secured 589 out of 600. Vidula Lokesh topped the arts stream with a remarkable score of 579 out of 600. She further displayed her caliber, achieving centum in economics. She brought laurels to the college by securing the 3rd rank in the district. College applauds 42 students who have scored 100 in core subjects. As the students continue to engage in the online learning process, they are also involved in a plethora of activities, unleashing their creativity. These include Agno Radiant Elocution Competition, Arti the Sobag, Agno Rhapsody Solo Western Singing Competition, Agnum Opus Video Challenge Competition, Arti Affair Card Making Competition, Agno Baba Lahari Solo Kannada Bhavagita Competition, Costume Pageant Fancy Dress Competition, Parents' Day Photo Contest, Shramadan Clean and Green Environment, Danceotica Solo Dance Competition, and Glambot Bottle Painting Competition. A virtual talent show was organized for the first PU students to display their innate talents. To commemorate the 150-year journey of the Apostolic Carmel Congregation, a digital poster making competition was conducted for the first PU students, singing competition for the second PU students, and a quiz on Venerable Mother Veronica was conducted for the staff and students. Faith formation is an integral part of St. Agnes PU College. The management and staff came up with creative ways to stay connected with the students and their families to help them continue to grow in faith during this time of isolation. Various sessions were organized for students of all faiths. A number of resource persons addressed the students on different topics pertaining to youth and family. Rosarium Rosary Making Competition, Mystica Online Collage Competition, and Agno Chorus Christian Devotional Singing Competition were conducted for the Catholic students. On the occasion of International Youth Day, a webinar, Youth Esprit, was organized for the students. Ms. Atmika Aman, Executive Director, JV Springs, Ms. Nelvita Noronna, Assistant Professor, STM College, and Ms. Nashma Khatija, Student, School of Social Work, Roshni Nilaya, were the resource persons. Under the aegis of Abaya, Women's Forum, Girl Child Day was observed to raise awareness about the importance of imparting quality education to girls. Sister Dulcin, UFS, Director, Development and Resource Child Care Center, was a resource person on this special occasion. About 20 needy and meritorious students were given Abaya Scholarship. Hanate, the Kannada Club, celebrated Karnataka Rajotsava through a wonderful virtual program. Students' Week was celebrated innovatively by the lecturers through various online games and activities, which was cherished by all the students. On the occasion of the sesquicentennial jubilee of the Apostolic Carmel Congregation presence in India, Agnosphere, the Alumni Association, put up a remarkable virtual program. In the national level virtual Intercollegiate Fest Pre-Unique 2020, organized by St. Aloysius PU College, Mangaluru, Trisha Shetty garnered the first place in Mono Act. Helita D'Souza and Aishat won the first and third place respectively in pictorial poetry. Aishat also won the third place in mock press. Sukrita bagged the second place in Eastern singing, and Kalita Lobo secured the second place in Western singing. In the virtual Intercollegiate Fest Synergy 2020, organized by St. Claret PU College, Bengaluru, Nidhi won the third place in Western solo dance. Mayula participated in the Pre-Republic Day camp held at Bengaluru. In the 31st Interdojo Championship held at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mangaluru, Apeksha Moili bagged the gold medal in the individual kumite category and the silver medal in the individual kata category. Anisha Salyan secured the gold medal in the individual kata category and silver medal in the individual kumite category. Teachers' Day was celebrated in a unique manner on a virtual platform. The The teachers enjoyed and participated enthusiastically in the week-long fun activities organized by the students. The PTA members left no stone unturned to make the teachers feel special and enthrall them with their meaningful program. Bringing in the joy of Christmas, a virtual Christmas program was organized to spread boundless joy and goodwill. In the present scenario, even when the going was tough, we have experienced God's abundant grace throughout this academic year. May God continue to bless us in our mission of educating young minds, in our striving to teach our students to become better individuals. As Brian Tracy aptly said, "The future belongs to the competent. Get good, get better, be the best."